Hello guys, I will be playing. Yep. I'm gonna be playing Flying Gorilla. Oh god. Oh god. What is this game? This game looks easy. It's just going so fast. Flying gorilla. Gorillas that fly are funny. Crap. Okay. Ah. 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 I'm not a big YouTube channel, so I could never be sued. I'm untouchable. Finally! God! That's fun. Shut up, I was 6 years old and could play Beethoven. Idiot. Finally. Oh, this is a fun game. Dang it. Crap. I could play that and I was only in music class. It's so sad when the gorilla dies. The gorilla had a family. His name was Bob. This is Bob the gorilla now. Bob. This game gets kind of hard. I mean, it's not hard since I'm like that master at gorillas that fly. Yes. I am the master. I'm master. I am that one guy. I like to still be good at the game even when I got the superpower. Flying gorilla. Let's go. None of those look scary. It's not scary. Play FNAF if you want scary. Play it. Robbery Madness 2 Thief Games, what the heck? Flying gorilla. Let's go. You know what I'll do if I get 1 subscriber from this? If I get 1 subscriber, I will to keep the levels. Alright, what I'll do. If I get 1 subscriber from this, I will give life advice. You know, the fake life advice YouTubers that say, do this, and you will become the master at life, and you will be, and you will get that girlfriend. You will be the best person on earth. If you do this. I will do one of those videos. Alright? Yeah, alright. Oh, I have eggs. Oh my gosh. Just to see what the egg does, I will make a little YouTube short once it's been 9 hours. Oh, I'm starting school very soon. Bob, he's a good man. Who is the best gorilla? Best gorilla I've ever seen. Very good man. What is this? I don't like it. What is this? Oh, this is infinite. Oh, this is an infinite level. Bob. He's a good man. Bob. He was a good man. Anyway, let's do this. Yeah. What is this? Anyway, yeah. Let's do it. Infinite mode. Let's go. Oh, wait, this isn't infinite mode. Oh my god. I wonder what I'm gonna do next. Bob, he's a good man. It is so sad that he must go. He's the best gorilla I've ever seen. Anyway, what is this? Whoa. Murder on bikes. Ow. Oh, I just had a headache. Anyway, Bob is a good man. Bob, he's a good man. See how the difference of that meaning changed when I changed the context? He was a good man. Best gorilla I've ever met. Anyway. Yeah, Bob. Bob was a good man. Yeah, Bob. He's the best man. That's a ripoff. That is a ripoff. It's called Sky Children, Children's Sky. This is called Children's Sky. This is called What the hell? Bob. Anyway, Bob. What's your work experience, Bob? He was a good man. Bob. He was a good man. His will go all to me and all his subscribers. Yeah. He'll give me subscribers. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Ugh. I hate YouTubers that say, make sure to press the like and subscribe. Bob. You know what, I'm just dog crap at this game. Why am I even still playing? Oh yeah, because it's funny for you. It's funny for you. Oh. It's been 9 minutes in this video. Wow. Anyway, Bob was a good man. He was the best gorilla I've ever met, actually. Like, there's been a lot of good gorillas I've met, but look,
balls. There's been a lot of good gorillas I've met in my life, but no one can compare to Bob. He's just such a good man. It's so sad that he was good.
Anyway, ooh, skin. Huh? Oh. I got another gorilla. Oh my god. I'm now this gorilla. I'm now this gorilla. Okay, let's name this one Charlie.
I know, let's get my close.
Anyway, let's name no. He's Fredrisha.
Fredrisha was a good man. Oh wait, Fredrisha's a girl.
Yeah, that'd be better.
Fredrisha was a good woman.
Yep, Fredrisha. Oh my god, I like Fredrisha. I was like, good gorilla.
Fredrisha was a good gorilla. Just so sad that we must see her go.
Anyway, what is... Anyway, Patricia.
Patricia was a good gorilla. It's so sad we must see her go.
Yeah. Patricia. Bow, bow. Bow, bow, bow. Bow.
Patricia was a good girl. Just so sad that we must see a girl go. Score 162 and 199. Patricia had 181 gems. Shiny gems. They were maybe even shiny rocks. Yes, gorilla, so shiny rock. Yes. I want VR. Give me a bunch of subscribers so I can get VR. Please. Patricia.
Oh. Anyway. No.
Patricia.
Fredrisha.
Patricia was a good girl. Patricia was a good gorilla. 181 shiny rocks. 740 bananas.
Flying gorilla. Fredrisha. This is for you.
Patricia. That was for you.
Oh my god. That is an easy game. I bet it has billion ads. Like, this is an ad. Yeah. Drop my phone. I need a webcam. Oh, wait. I don't need a web... Anyway, continuing what I was saying. I need a webcam. Oh, yeah, I don't have a face. Yeah, it's a big... This is fake, by the way. This is a joke. Condition where I don't have a...
Patricia was a good gorilla.
Anyway, I have this like a countdown. Well, hey, that music's copyrighted.
Patricia.
Anyway, I should get a web... Oh, wait. Patricia.
Okay, I'm just dying too many times.
I should get a webcam. Oh, wait, I don't have a face. Oh,
Patricia.
Oh wait, I don't have a face because I'm a camera. My face is a camera. I'm a cameraman. Did you know the cameraman is the strongest superhero? He can't.
Patricia. Patricia, like the cameraman in every 2000s movie, which just flies. Just die. Patricia, please don't go. Score 622 and 135.
Anyway. What is the capital of Thailand? Okay, fine. I'm going into 5th grade.
Patricia. Unlike me, she wasn't going into 5th grade. She was going to heaven. Yeah.
Totally do it. Just get a GoFundMe. Anyway, download MySpace because ad. This is an ad, just kidding. MySpace, it's good. Never tried it, never will, but I hear it was good like unlike MySpace. I knew she was a good gorilla. And I just think that MySpace is good.
Patricia. A gorilla. Flying.
Oh god. You know what? Today, guys, I'm gonna end. Just kidding, don't go. I don't want to end. Anyway, let's check on my capybara clicker. Ooh. Okay, I'm doing pretty good. Dang it, I haven't unlocked anything new. How haven't I unlocked anything new? So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. That's the end of